In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members in Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating a large project, Clickup is a versatile tool that can greatly enhance your workflow. However, to maximize its potential, you need to get your team involved. So let's dive in and explore how you can add team members seamlessly. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. You'll find Clickup is touted as the everything app for work, and you'll soon see why it can be invaluable to team collaboration. Once you're on the website, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the login button. This will lead you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using your email or opt for a quicker login by clicking the sign in with Google button. If you have your Google account credentials handy, using this option could save you a bit of time. After selecting the Google sign-in option, a window will appear displaying the Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply click on the account you want to use for your Clickup workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clickup dashboard. The interface is user-friendly, but to access more administrative controls, you'll need to head to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or the small circle icon if you haven't set a profile picture yet. Upon clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you should find and select the Manage Users option. This section is where you can handle all aspects of user management from invites to permissions. Now, let's talk about inviting new team members. In the Manage Users section, you'll see a dialog box where you can type the email address of the person you wish to invite. Make sure the email is correct to ensure that your invitation reaches its intended recipient. Once you've typed in the email address, locate the Invite button. It's usually quite prominent to ensure convenience. Clicking it will send an invitation email to the specified address, inviting them to join your team on Clickup. And that's it, you've successfully sent an invitation for a new team member to join your Clickup workspace. Once they accept, they'll become part of your team, giving you the collaborative power that Clickup is known for. Remember, the effectiveness of your Clickup experience heavily depends on team engagement, so feel free to repeat these steps for each new member you want to add. Happy collaborating!